Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Mantra. In this video we will learn how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. Table shown here is the employee master of a company X. In column A you can find employee number. Column B contains the name of employee. Column C contains the department, and similarly column D and E contains age and salary respectively. If in a lucky draw 5 employees were selected as a winner and you need to know the name of those persons. One of the way is to search each employee number from the employee master and write the name in the table, but this will take lot of time if the company has thousands of employees and the winners announced are in hundreds. This problem can be solved by using VLOOKUP function. Now we will see how this function works. To use VLOOKUP function, first select the cell where you want to apply this function. In this example first we want to search employee number 10014 in the employee master. Hence select cell B3 and click on FX button. Insert function window will appear. Here type VLOOKUP in search for a function field and click on Go. You can see that VLOOKUP function appears in a table below. Now double-click on VLOOKUP. A table to insert function arguments appears. First argument is lookup value. Here we need to type or select the cell where your lookup value is available. In this case first we want to search employee name for employee number 10014, hence we will select the cell where this value appears. In this case it is cell A3. Now we need to select the table from which we need to find the employee number and get the employee name. So click on the sheet employees and select the table where both the columns employee number and employee name is available. We can select additional columns also, but we always need to ensure that the first column of the selected table always have the value which we need to search. In this case we need to search employee number, hence we will select the table starting from row number 4 till last row where data available. Similarly we will select all columns till column E. We can select the complete table by first selecting the cell A4, then press Ctrl and Shift key together, and keeping the Ctrl and Shift key pressed, click on right arrow key and you will see that all columns of 4th row are selected. Now keeping the Ctrl and Shift key in pressed condition, click on down arrow and you will see that complete table is now got selected. Now here the data which we need to search is in column B, which is second column of our table. This column number we need is not for the Excel sheet but for the table selected. Now in column index number select to, since we are trying to get the name of employee corresponding to their employee number, and in this case name of employee is available in column 2 of the table. Next argument is the range lookup. Here we can write either true or false. We need to write true if we not want to match the exact employee number, or else we need to write false if we want to search exact number. In this example we want to search exact employee number, hence we will write false. Now press enter and you can see that name of employee is available here. We can simply autofill this formula by dragging it to the subsequent rows. And now you can see that all employee name for all the lucky draw winners are available quickly in this table. So this way this VLOOKUP function is quite useful in finding the information from other table. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends and family. You can also comment if you want the similar videos on other topics of Excel sheet. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.